Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome, biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Kelsi, and I'm here for you guys every Sunday and Wednesday to talk about my VSG journey and other things. It's my hope that through these videos, you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. Hello, you guys, and welcome to my VSG week for November. I am going to be doing videos every day of this holiday week. So I know a lot of you guys are either out of school or for my college students, or you're home with your family, or you're traveling, or you're just off for the week with your family to celebrate the holidays. And I figured there would be no better way to, have my time with you guys. For October, I did do a full month of videos, and it was taxing, to say the least. So I wanted to still participate in like Vlogmas and Vlogember. I don't know if that's the thing. But I did want to do, I'm going to do a week of content, VSG content in November, and a week of content in December. So, and they will both be for the week during the holiday. So this entire week, you guys will see me every day with VSG content. And that's why the videos have been so sporadic this month, because I've been gearing up to this week. Anyways, we're going to get into why you came to the video. I know why you're here. I got you. Don't worry. So as you guys see, I have received the Premier Protein Winter Mint Chocolate. You guys, at this point, I am a Premier Protein connoisseur. We have done the cake batter and also the pumpkin spice. I was really excited to try these. So one of my mods on my Facebook group, speaking of, if you are not a member of my Facebook, please make sure to join. It is one bite at a time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things. She posted this picture of a Premier Protein that was called a Winter Mint Chocolate, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to find it, I've got to get it, I've got to try it. My surgeon told me that at this stage of my journey, I didn't necessarily have to drink protein drinks anymore, but I do, because I fear not getting my protein. So that's just me. That's a personal preference. You don't have to. I am, at this time, I'm 10 months out. My 10-month surgiversary was the 5th of November, and I cannot believe that I am 10 months out. 9 months out. I'm 9 months out. I believe. Hang on. Let's count it together. March 5th, April 5th, May 5th, July 5th, August 5th.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
September 5th, October 5th, November 5th. Wait a minute. 11 minus 2. 9. I'm 9 months out. Jesus. Ignore. Ignore what just happened. So I'm 9 months out, and so they say that typically after 6 months you don't have to do the protein drinks anymore. But I'm definitely, they are a part of my regimen. I put them in my coffee. So I do look forward to making, like, if this is something that I like, I do look forward to making like a peppermint mocha type of coffee. So we're gonna get into the taste test. This is the Winter Mint Chocolate. It's, the same as always. It is a limited edition. I did get this from Sam's. I don't know if they still have it or not, but I was just like sold on this little chocolate bar type of thing they have here. 30 grams of protein, 160 calories, 1 gram of sugar, 24 vitamins and minerals with nutrients to support immune health. A high protein shake. I am excited to try this. So let's get into it. Okay, let me get a sip of my water so that I have a cleansed palate. Okay, so we're gonna bust this baby wide open, and of course, like true Kelsi fashion, I am gonna give it a smell. Okay. So definitely not baby formula or baby milk or whatever. Definitely a mint. I don't smell any chocolate. Definitely a little hint of mint. I love mint chocolate stuff. So I am just like, and during this time of year, every year I would get the Lindor cookie or mint cookie truffle balls. Oh my gosh. I miss those so much. I haven't had them this year. And I probably won't, because I know if I start eating them, then it's just going to be down here from there. So I'm hoping that this will kind of be reminiscent to me of it. So we're going to get right into the taste test. All right. So I'm kind of nervous because it's really going to be upsetting to me if it's bad. Okay. You know what? This this is going to be perfect in a peppermint mocha. It has the perfect balance of chocolate and mint. The mint is not too strong, because in some mint chocolate combinations, the mint is too much. It's overpowering, and the chocolate is too subtle. It definitely tastes like a milk chocolate, almost like a Hershey bar, and that mint just comes right in, and it just beautifully melds together, creating a wonderful winter experience in my mouth. Let's see. I definitely have no complaints. I did see on my Facebook group where someone posted that they were not happy with the flavor. I absolutely love it. But I am a chocolate and mint fan, and I'm sure that you are as well. Everybody has, different strokes for different folks. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. I love it. If you are looking for something that is cheery and holiday-ish, I would definitely get this if you are a fan of mint chocolate. It's not like a very strong mint flavor, but you can definitely tell this is a mint chocolate. I really feel like this would be good in a hot peppermint mocha as well as a cold peppermint mocha. So I am intrigued and kind of ready to try that. So I'm going to grab some peppermint mocha creamer and make me a nice cocktail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Short, sweet, to the point. At this point, I feel like Premier Protein need to go ahead and throw in that sponsorship, because baby, I'm buying all the limited editions. So I'm pretty sure I'll go through these pretty quick. I went through my cake batter ones. I made a coffee every day with those. So I don't know if I would want to make a coffee every day with these. It would probably be an every other day, because I don't want to get tired of it. But I definitely do like it. It has a good flavor. It's, like I said, it's the perfect combination, just enough of each ingredient to where it's not overpowering on both sides. It's like not too chocolatey to where you can't taste the mint, and not too minty to where you can't really taste the chocolate. If you guys do try the Premier Protein Winter Mint Chocolate, let me know in the comment section down below, or drop it on Instagram, tag me, whatever. If you've made it this far in the video, please drop a snowman in the comment section down below. Let me know you made it to this point in the video. If you haven't and you would like to be, please make sure to join my family. Hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. All right, you guys, I'm going to get out of here. But before I do, make sure to love yourself and each other. I'll see you later. Bye.